Okay, listen for some noises from the bird room when I tell them I'm leaving. Ready? Bye-bye, birdies. Bye-bye, birdies. Okay, they're going to make a liar out of me. Let's see if I can get Fannie to talk. Hi, Fannie. Hi, Fannie. What you doing? Hi. Got your beak. Ready? Good girl. Good girl. Can I have a kiss? Georgia. Can I have a kiss, Georgia? That was awfully nice of you. I heard you give me a kiss. Did you give me a kiss? Hi, Chloe. Oh, Fannie. You can't. This is her new thing. She's flying up here, which is very bad because this is Georgia's cage, and they will get into it. Come on out, Georgia, 'cause she's up there. Come on. Come on. Wanna step up? Come on. Good girl. Here, step up. Good girl. Good girl, Georgia. You want to come in the window? You want to come in the window? There you go. Step up. Good girl. Hi, Chloe. You might as well come out, too. Come on. Come on. Hello. Oh, you ring your bell? Oh, my goodness. Are you agitated? Hi. Oops, how do I shut it off? I have no idea what we're doing.